The CSS from Lithonia Lighting is the perfect strip for almost any application. It comes in 4 and 8-foot lengths and provides up to 10,000 lumens. Energy-efficient LEDs and a diffuse acrylic lens provide cost-effective and aesthetically pleasing light in almost any space. Available color temperature and lumen switching technology makes the CSS extremely easy to order, stock, and install. For this installation, you will only need a few tools. You'll need a power driver, screw bit, and safety glasses. Before you begin the installation process, when working with electrical components, make sure you turn off the power at the main breaker. The first step in installing the CSS is deciding whether it will be suspended or surface mounted. If you are suspending the CSS, order the optional hanger chain. If you are surface mounting to a junction box, consider the optional junction box cover. When surface mounting the CSS, mount the optional junction box cover over the junction box. Next, open the CSS strip and disconnect the LED tray using the quick disconnects. Choose the knockout you would like to use and remove it. Next, align the fixture over the junction box and screw it to the ceiling. Connect the black and white power wires and the green ground wire to the corresponding wires coming from the junction box. If you have selected the switchable version of the CSS, now is the best time to make changes to the color temperature and lumen level, but these changes can be made at any time. The switch inside the CSS allows you to adjust the lumens up and down, as well as the color temperature. The unit ships in the center position at 4,000 lumens and 4,000 K. It can be adjusted up or down from there. Remember, brighter is brighter. Once the lumens and color temperatures are set where you want them, reattach the LED tray using the quick disconnects and snap it onto the housing. Now restore power to the CSS strip, and if properly wired, it will immediately illuminate. As you can see, in a few basic steps, you can upgrade to LED and enjoy long-lasting energy savings year after year.